Hold on to your microscopes as Fact Channels peeks into the tiny universe where life multiplies and chaos becomes order. This time, we're unraveling 14 mind-bending facts about cell division, a process more intriguing than you'd ever guess. Ever heard of senescence? It's when cells stop dividing but don't die, acting like cranky retirees refusing to vacate their chairs. Did you know mitosis, the process of cell division, was named after threads? Mitosis comes from the Greek word for thread, reflecting how chromosomes appear under a microscope. Would you believe some cancer cells are basically immortal? They bypass normal division limits, making them a cellular version of eternal youth. Watch out for plants with multiple chromosomes. Polyploidy is when plants end up with extra chromosome sets, which often makes them larger and hardier than their single-set cousins. Cells can recognize when they're on a crowded dance floor. Contact inhibition is their way of knowing when to stop dividing, so they don't crash into each other like awkward partygoers. Astronauts experience bizarre cell behavior. Microgravity messes with cell division, causing some cells to become confused and potentially more mutation-prone. A tale of two faces. Some cells have asymmetric division. This means one daughter cell might become a neuron while its sibling chooses a path in skincare. Cell zombies? When mitosis goes wrong, cells can become micronucleated, essentially little fragments of nucleus floating within the cytoplasm like lost souls. Did you ever think about how tiny gaps can be significant? Cytokinesis, the final stage of cell division, involves creating a physical break that allows cells to go their separate ways. The rapid division race, human embryos start life with lightning-fast mitotic sprints. For the first few days after conception, cells double in number every few hours. Some sharks don't get cancer. Their cartilage inhibits blood vessel formation in tumors, keeping rogue cells from dividing out of control. Sexual reproduction relies on half-hearted divisions. During meiosis, cells divide to produce gametes with only half the usual chromosomes, a delightful form of mathematical wizardry for genetic variation. How about the fact that certain bacteria use a sneaky cheat code called conjugation to swap genetic material without traditional cell division rules? The telomere ticking timer. Telomeres act like cellular countdown clocks, limiting how many times a cell can safely divide before it risks mutating into something sinister. For more brain-boosting facts, like and subscribe to keep the curiosity alive with Fact Channels.